dishes. This core will show every precise step of how ethically sourced turtle shell material is transformed and...
Check the tag on the swimmer near the center, please.
Got it. Looks healthy, but the growth rate is slightly below average. We'll adjust the feed. Shell looks good, minor scute separation.
Noted. Skin fold biopsy collected.
Carapace length is 85 centimeters, uploading now.
Enrichment protocols confirmed. Water quality reading satisfactory. Check.
Okay, manifest looks good. Everything accounted for.
All right, let's get these straps tightened down.
Set it down gently now. Got it. Bring the next pallet over here, quick.
Weight is 4.2 kilograms. Dimensions 20 by 15 by 8.
The brushes are rotating smoothly. We're keeping the speed optimized for the larger pieces.
And the water quality test came back.
The straight edge confirms the surface deviation right here.
Agreed. We need to mark this for correction. The elasticity on this sheet is excellent.
Agreed. The bonding strength looks solid as well.
How did the gloss look on this section?
It's perfect. Really brings out the deep caramel. Let me note the batch number.
Cadmium red, exactly 20 grams.
confirmed. Batch ID TSHDR 98765 applied.
How does this batch look under the D65 light?
The consistency is perfect. Approved. We need to align the pattern right here to match the grain.
Okay, I'm adjusting the coordinates now.
The caliper reading matches the schematic.
Laser scan confirms the dimensions are exact.
Data synchronized. It's a perfect fit.
See the misalignment on this pattern here? It's subtle, but it's there.
And the stitching on this buckle is imperfect. We can't approve these.
The pH levels are stabilizing, but the COD remains high.
Check the flow rate on the tertiary tank.
The diagnostics show consistent pressure across the system now.
Confirmed. The valve adjustment stabilized the flow. I'll update the log.
Calibration successful on the thermal sensors.
Confirmed. The pressure gauge is reading exactly 30.
Here is the large duffel in amber.
Got it. One duffel confirmed. How many belts?
5 belts and the matching wallets. Look at the detail on this one.
Excellent.
What do you think of the belt with this jacket?
Oh, it looks fantastic. And this bag is simply divine.
Here is your receipt and the certificate of authenticity.
If you look at the Q3 data, the shell quality metrics are consistently exceeding targets.
What about the Environmental Sustainability Index? Are we on track?
This one goes right here, number 42.
Okay, I've logged the iridescent finish.
Morning, Frank.
Look at the size of those shells today. Yeah, gonna be a busy one.
we emphasize ethical turtle farming and the careful processing of this material. Through advanced wastewater treatment